a lot of cliquishness amongst Black leadership. And as Dr. King's daughter, it pains me every day to see it. Not that he didn't have it. Not that every Black person was together back then. But I think because of his heart and who he was in his heart, in this generation of time, we have something to study and learn from. But by the time it happened, they were together. They found a way to still be there. So I don't know what it's going to take, but I'm saying to this new generation, as we're going forward, even as people are starting their businesses, think about enterprise. Think about cornering a market. Think about a national chain, not just my business. You know what I'm saying? Share these resources in a way that we can be a force in this time. And it's not just about Black, though. Even in our collaborations, it's about righteousness and justice working along those lines as well.